Welcome to our in-depth look at Medanta Hospital, one of India's premier healthcare institutions. As we enter through the grand gates of Medanta Hospital, you'll see the serene ambience that greets every patient. Here, amidst the beauty of the Tree of Life, our journey begins. The reception area welcomes visitors with warmth, setting the tone for a healing experience. Let's explore some of the exceptional locations within this remarkable institution. It was the first hospital in India to offer robotic surgeries. With a dedicated air ambulance service, we ensure that the international patients receive swift and safe transportation. Medanta holds the world record for the highest number of knee replacements performed and has successfully conducted over 500 living donor liver transplants, the highest in India. Medanta encompasses several specialized institutes, each committed to providing exceptional care. Patient comfort is a top priority at Medanta. Medanta has some of the best medical minds in the country. Medanta Hospital is conveniently located in Gurugram. For more information about Medanta Hospital or to start your treatment journey, contact Vaidam Health. We are here to assist you in your medical journey, ensuring a seamless experience every step of the way.